Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a person sitting down. So we'll be drawing a sitting down pose. So if you have your pencils set, we're going to start with the framework. Please use very light strokes. This is the torso, so there's a curl in it because it's as if the person is sitting against a surface. So that's the surface and that is the floor, let's say, and that is the bottom part of the torso, thigh, knee, shin and calf, and the foot. For now it's all rough, so we'll just place it here. And the shoulder, now we are looking at it from a certain angle, so somewhat from the top and from the side. So top and side, so not exact top but somewhat, as I mentioned, from the top. So collar here, neck, and let's say that we get the head going somewhere around here. We have the shoulder right here, arm, elbow. Now there's a few things that we can go around do with this. So the adjoining shoulder around here, since it's from the top, as I mentioned, somewhat, will be somewhere here, right behind the head, and there's the adjoining arm. And of course, so since it's an angle which is like that, tilted somewhat, there's the collar area, the chest, ab structure, and there's the torso just going inward. This leg will be a little bigger judging from the rest of the person there, so foot will be somewhere around there. So now we're going to grab ourselves a pen and do a few get around to the duty of fleshing this out a little bit. So we have the back can be put down just like that. And this leg we will leave as is. Please do also check out other videos in which we have explored people sitting down from many different angles. So this is just one more angle, very popular angle. We have done somewhat of a similar angle, but a posture, but from a completely different angle. So we are coming down here, extending that arm a little bit. Initially the elbow was put here, but so we'll put it somewhere here. That's the only change. We will also, this person is a little too thin here as was initially put down, so we're going to increase that thigh a little bit. Normally it is somewhat more fleshed out, provided it's just a basic healthy person, so that is more accurate. And then we have, for now, let's say we'll put the elbow and the arm right there, so our hand is resting on the inside of that thigh. So that's one thing that we can do with this. And then here, the adjoining foot, so we can go right here, knee is right there, and foot coming in right there. So there's the heel, there's the shin structure, sorry, the calf and the shin. Again, sometimes we can just put them in a different order, and the knee. So that is the foot, the right leg nestled under this leg here. But then we can also do a few different things with the other arm. So it can just hang out there. Let's put out the chest as well and the torso. So it can just hang out there, or we could also we can get a different pen here. We can also have that arm coming inward and crossing inward like that. We could also have the arms, this one going a bit upward and this one coming in, so actually going a bit down there, hand here, and we can do a cross arm pose as well. And of course we would have to put the fingers and the thumb here. So it's getting a little messy, so we'll not go too much further with this. It's going to be confusing, but at the same time we could also have the other leg just sitting straight, and we have done a similar thing, and it's always good to explore these things again because they're really helpful. We could also have the arm just coming down. Let's say that those are the fingers right there, and that arm would of course go right back and not really be visible all that much from that angle. And the head itself, of course, looking that way, that is the generic way of doing it, could be drooping right down. And in a very popular thing, also be looking up and resting against the wall here. So different options, and what we'll do is, just to make this a little less messy, we're going to just pick one of those forms and draw something that can stand out a little more. So chest is right there, and what we have done is we have gone with the cross-armed pose in our case here. So the hand is right there and the finger is not that visible, but that's fine. We are leaving this leg as it is, and we will choose this slightly more relaxed option, and there we have one highlighted pose out of all this exercise. So thank you for watching. You could have a lot of fun with this. Please do check out the other videos as well. They really coincide very well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.